Very good morning, my dear students. Today we have to learn blending sound CH. Sound of CH is cha. Let's read some word with phonic. Okay. CHAT chat, CHOP chop, CHAIR chair, CHEESE cheese, CHILD child, and CHEEKS cheeks, CHIPS chips, CHEW chew, CHALK chalk, CHIN chin, CHAIN chain. Let's read with phonic. Cha, t, chat, cha, p, chop, cha, r, chair, cha, cheese, cha, child, cha, cheeks, cha, chips, cha, chew, cha, chalk, cha, chin, cha, chain. These are some CH sound words with phonics. Thank you.